Hey everyone, I'm Marvin from AI News Connect. Today's big AI headline: Meta has secured a massive $29 billion financing package to supercharge its AI data center expansion, one of the largest tech infrastructure deals ever, signaling an aggressive push to scale compute for next-gen AI models and services. The deal is reportedly led by investment giants PIMCO and Blue Owl Capital, backing new facilities and power-hungry clusters needed for training and serving advanced AI. This comes as the EU AI Act's August 2020 milestone brings fresh obligations for general-purpose AI, including technical documentation, transparency reports, and systemic risk assessments, with penalties up to 30 to 35 million or 7% of global turnover for non-compliance. For AI giants, that means scaling responsibly isn't optional. It's a legal requirement. Meanwhile, Microsoft rolled out new Copilot and AI features across Power BI, including SharePoint Online integration and automated measure descriptions, making enterprise analytics more accessible and AI-assisted by default. And on the product front, xAI's Grok is now free for all X users and can transform any image on X into a short video, a move that could rapidly expand its user base and intensify competition among AI assistants. Taken together, we're seeing a clear pattern: unprecedented capital flowing into AI infrastructure, regulators tightening guardrails, and everyday tools getting smarter. The race isn't just about bigger models. It's about compliance, energy, and real user utility. If you found this update useful, like and subscribe to AI News Connect. Share this video and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload.